Hello, today we are learning a new question, which is Quanto costa, ... and you'd fill it in with a vocab. What this is saying is how much is, or how much does this thing cost? You could just point to an object, or you could actually say it in Italian, like Quanto costa una lampada? How much is a lamp? Quanto costa un libro? How much is a book? Etc. Here's some ways to answer. Here are some ways to say expensive. Expensive or costly is going to be costoso. Let's try that word, costoso. If you want to say very expensive, that's going to be proprio costoso. One more time, proprio costoso. They have a way to say that it is very, very expensive. It's an expression. This is not literal at all, but just like how we say it costs an arm and a leg in America, in Italian, they have an expression, and their expression is costa un occhio della testa, which if you know what that means, is sort of funny. It says it costs an eye out of the head. Again, this is not literal. This is figurative. So it's just a silly expression, which means it costs a whole lot. Let's try this expression. Costa un occhio della testa. And if you want to say some cheaper options, it is on sale. On sale is going to be in vendita. Let's say that again. On sale, in vendita. And if it's discounted, this is going to be scontato. Scontato. If you want to say it is to make it into a whole sentence, you're just going to add with the little accent right there. Hold on, I don't think you can see me. Sorry, with the little accent, pointing to the left hand side diagonally, right in front of those words to make it into a sentence. For example, è costoso, è proprio costoso. You wouldn't add to this one because this is already a sentence. È in vendita, è scontato. If you want to say it is right in front of it. All right, so your job for this is to plug in underneath this video, write a question with a vocab. So quanto costa, and then pick a vocab. You can use a Google Translate, that's fine. And then pick one of these options to answer it. All right, let me know if you have any questions. You can type this in down below or post your own video. It's up to you. Bye.